Hey y'all, good morning. So I will do the Marines book later on, probably today. Um First of all, today's my son's birthday. He just turned 21. And also I am trying to see how you do this thing. Um we have do we go this way? We have snow. We had a blizzard, y'all. So we had 18 inches of snow in New Jersey. And it was just really bad yesterday and today. It's just real bad, icy and stuff. So we were snowed in yesterday, and now it's just a mess out there. And I don't know if the post office is working today or not. But yo, a girl like me, I'm just ready just to fix my income tax thing, so I don't be owed next year. And somebody said they just took out $105 federal. So I'm gonna let them know that they are taking money out now and see what they say. Probably still gotta pay though, but whatever. But yeah, um, today my son's birthday. He's 21. It's cold outside, and Phil, the freaking groundhog saw his shadow. So we're gonna have 6 weeks of more winter. So yeah. So y'all know I called and told y'all. I called. I told y'all that when I had went to work Sunday, that one of my jobs took the thing out. So I called my boss yesterday and let her know. It was like, yeah, that Short Hills Mall, basically they took out the Mac machine. So I want to be honest. She said okay. So now I'll just be going to do Seton Hall, then University, and then PSCNG, then Jersey City College, and then Hudson Mall. So it is what it is. So like I said, Seton Hall, University, PSCNG, Jersey City College, and Hudson Mall. So, and I don't know how long they're gonna have this job open because I was talking to my boss yesterday, and she said they trying to make it like to April. So if it do, they'll send a sticker or something to put over top, say for April. I don't know, but yeah, that's about it. That's all. That's all I've been doing. I have been applying for jobs, and I see that Biden is true to his word. Now the jobs are like $15 to $16 an hour. That's good. I kid you not. If I can find a job, a extra job like that, I'll be happy. For real. But it's not cool that people are saying that yes, unemployment did tell you you had an option to take taxes out, because that's bullcrap. Because that is not true. Nobody didn't tell me nothing about that. So well, now I'm just writing. I have to write them and tell them please take out the taxes. Like for real. Probably this week sometime. I will send to Trenton and tell them to take out my taxes, because next year I won't be owing the IRS. You know. All right, y'all. If this is what you princess eating some breakfast. Just got up. Hubby went to work. And he said it's nice out there. It's like ice everywhere. Um, that's about it. All right, peace.